Hello friend, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the Jotero Reference Manager. So it is a free open source citation management software that's designed to help you gather, organize and cite your research material with ease. Here I am showing the overview of my whole tutorial from basic to advanced. So first of all, I will discuss about how you can download and install the Jotero in your PC, Mac or Linux system, and how you can also install the Jotero connector, that is a plugin for your browser, installation problem and troubleshoot, Jotero connector integration in the browser, Jotero Word for Windows integration problems and troubleshoot. So many of users face the problem about installation and integration in your Word or LibreOffice Word. So I'm going to discuss in detail today, but in my upcoming tutorial, I will also discuss about the how you can download citation style for the Jotero Reference Manager and how you can download all the citation style and integrate in your Jotero software, and also about the software overview like layout, tab setting, preferences, and all about every and each feature of this software in detail, and also adding references in the Jotero library using different file sources like WebText, RIS, Jotero, RDF, PDF, and multiple reference file from a folder, and also from the Mendeley Reference Manager, Google Scholar website, and browser add-in of Google Scholar button, and also how you can import the citation from the general website directly, and also the adding reference using the Jotero identifiers like ISBN DOI. You can see the identifier name here. And in the last, I will discuss about how you can insert the citation in your document, bibliography insert, reference edit, replacement edit, merge citation, merge two or more than two document with citation, and many other information about this citation manager. So first of all, I'm going to show you that how you can download and install the software and what are the problems that may you can face during your installation. And to download the software, you have to visit the jotero.org website. And if you go to the website, you can see the download button here. This is for Windows, Linux, and iOS. So you can download in any of operating system. So I'm going to download for the window. So this open a new window where you can see Jotero 6 for Windows and Jotero connector. This is a plugin for Chrome connector, but you can also download the plugin for other browser. If you click here, you can see there are plugin for Firefox, Edge, and Safari. So I am using Windows, so I am going to download the Jotero 6 for the window. So I'm going to install this. Follow the instruction of installation. I'm going to click on the finish. Here you can see after installation it directly open the link for the Jotero connector for Chrome. So if you just click here, you can see in the Chrome web store, here it is showing add to Chrome. If you click here, it is further confirming add extension, and here you can see the Jotero connector is added in your browser. Here you can see you are not able to see the connector, but if you click here on the extension button, and you can see here the Jotero connector. If you click here on the pin button, and now you can see here Jotero connector is showing. And in the Jotero software, here you can see it is showing a warning message Jotero LibreOffice plugin installation. So maybe in your case you are not able to get this message because I am using the LibreOffice also along with the Microsoft Office. So that's why it is showing you can also install plugin for LibreOffice. So I'm going to also install the plugin. Maybe in your case it is not necessary. After installation, you can see the welcome message here. And after installation of the Jotero software, I suggest you go to the your Microsoft Word and open any blank document or any your Word document and see on the ribbon. Here you can see in my case, an additional Jotero tab is showing here, and you can see the option of Jotero here. But maybe if in your case the Jotero is not integrated properly, you are not able to see this in your Word. And to solve this problem, so first of all, I suggest you, if you are using other citation manager, here you can see in Note 20, I am using also this citation manager. And if you are not required anymore, just uninstall the other citation manager like Mendeley or EndNote 20 to solve this problem. But after uninstalling all these other citation manager, you are not able to solve your problem. The other thing you have to do, like in the Jotero software, click here on the edit button, preferences, and in the preferences, if you click here on the side, and you can see style and word processor. And if you click here on the word processor, here you can see reinstall Microsoft Word add-in or reinstall LibreOffice add-in if you have the LibreOffice installed in your system. So you can reinstall the Word add-in here. This may solve your problem. So I'm going to show again how you can get this reinstallation process. So open your Jotero software, click here on the edit button, preferences. In the preferences, maybe you are at the general, but click here on the side. In the side, click on the word processor, and now you can reinstall the Word add-in for the Jotero. So in this way you can solve your problem. But apart from doing all these things, you are not able to add the Jotero in your Word. So I suggest you, if you are using the non-licensed Microsoft Office, just uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Office, and this may solve your problem. Now I am going to show you, if you are facing the path problem during the installation of Jotero in your system. So I suggest you click here on the search and type edit the system environment variable. You can see here system properties, and in the advanced section of system property, click here on the environmental variable, and in user variable, click here on the new. For variable name, type word underscore, and in the variable value, click here on the browse directory. So you have to locate the Microsoft Office in your system. In my case, this PC, drive C, program file, and here you can see Microsoft Office. And if you open this, you can see the Office 16. I'm going to select this, click here on OK. This is the path you can select according to your system. Just click here on the OK and click OK, and now if you open your Word, this may solve your path problem and also the integration problem in your system. So today we have discussed about the problem regarding the installation and how you can solve this problem. For today's video, I am going to stop this tutorial. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.